Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how merging datasets works in STATA, and I'm going to take you through what it means and how to do it well. So when you open STATA and go to the data tab, then go to combine datasets, then merge two datasets. It will bring a number of options here on the pop-up. So the first option will be one-to-one on key variables. This is used when each observation is when each observation in the dataset currently loaded in the memory corresponds to exactly one observation in the dataset you are merging with, based on the key variables. The example would be if you have one dataset that has student names and student number, and then in another dataset you have student marks and then student number. Then the second option is many to one on key variables. This one is used when multiple observations in the dataset currently loaded in the memory correspond to exactly one observation in the dataset you are merging with. So an example would be if you have a dataset of students, and you want to merge it with a dataset of schools where each student is associated with one school. But each school is associated with many students, you would use many to one in this regard. Then we have one to many. One to many is when one observation in the dataset currently loaded in the memory corresponds to multiple observations in the dataset you are merging with. So for instance, you have a dataset that has schools, and you want to merge it with dataset of students where each school is associated with many students, but each student is associated with one school, so you would use one to many. We have many to many on key variables, and this is used when multiple observations in the dataset currently in memory correspond to multiple observations in the dataset you are merging with, based on key variables. We have one to one by observation. This is used when you want to combine datasets vertically, meaning you are adding new observations or rows to your dataset, not new variables like the ones you've seen up. So typically this is used when you have datasets that contain the same variables but different observations. This is what you would call appending in STATA. I'll show you how you can merge two datasets. So let me just load student names. As you can see, it's loaded. When you browse to see it, it's there with names and student number. And then I want to merge it with student marks. I would go to data, combine, and choose merge. So all these datasets contain only one student number. So I will choose one to one, and I'll match it with student number, and then choose the dataset with student marks, and then click OK. So it will bring a report here. So when you check here, it will show you student marks has been added onto the dataset. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe it if this was helpful, and share with friends. See you in the next video.